2014 Honda Civic 4-cylinder valve cover gasket quick tip video. To replace it, make sure you take out the dipstick. You have to unplug these from the ignition coils. Should be pretty simple. Then you have these flathead plastic screws, twist them loose, pull this off. Then you're going to have 10mm right here and another 10mm right there. Pull that back, and as you see over here, holding this wire harness, another 10mm there and a 10mm there. Remove that, pull that back, and you're left with 8 10mm bolts holding down the plastic valve cover. 4 in the front, as I pointed out, and then in the back as well, 4. Undo those, pull those out. This is what they look like. Get the wire harnesses out of the way, give it a good tug, and then pull it out. Then you have the valve cover out. Then you have the brittle valve cover gasket. Make sure you remove that, install the new one. There's like little grooves right here, pushes into its place, and then around the edges, give that a good clean with a rag, clean it all up. And you're going to notice 2 metal parts over here. Let it zoom in. Some old silicone right there. Make sure you remove that. And the reason why that's there is because you have 2 metal pieces coming together, or aluminum. Let me remove that. To make sure you have a good seal, you're gonna have to put some silicone right over there, and same thing right over there, before you add the new valve cover over it. Keep that in mind. Give it a good clean. It's very simple. You can do it. I know you can. Give it a try. You can't really mess anything up on this. And hopefully this video came useful. Appreciate you guys watching.